this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods and sync it up to your Android phone. This is easy to do. So the first thing we want to do is scroll on down from the top. Then locate Bluetooth. So I can see it right here. Otherwise just go to settings and select Bluetooth. So let's turn this on and we can hold it down and we come to this section. Now we need to pair a new device. Let's go here. And it's searching for a new device to connect to. So go to your AirPods now. Open up the case and make sure the AirPods are in here. Then if the light isn't blinking white, go to the back of the cover and hold down the button on the back. And you can see there should be a white light blinking now. Now you should find the AirPods popping up under this list. Select them. And then go to pair. Also allow access to your contacts and call history, so you could probably use some of the voice commands with that. So let's pair it. Now you can see it says active right here. And we should be able to use our AirPods now, just remove them from the case. And you can start using them with your Android phone very easily. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.